And I'm making a review for this Polaris Outlaw, and what we're doing is putting in a new battery. This is for the Weize. This is a WTX5L-BS, and so we've got a dead battery. Won't start, won't do anything. Actually, let's turn it on here. Won't start, won't do anything. So let's put that new battery in. It's gonna go right here, and I'm gonna show you how this new battery will fire up, because I've had these before in other products, other vehicles, four-wheelers, and they work really good. So let's put this in. Okay, so to install, you just pull this apart right here, and this is where the new battery goes. Got it put in. Just a few more things to wrap it up here, and then we'll start this engine. Okay, got it all put back together. Let's fire it up. Turn the key on, and there we go. We got power, and this is going to be a good battery. Weize battery. It's going to work good, give plenty of power, and have lots of fun on this Polaris Outlaw 50. This battery will work on other things like motorcycles and other four-wheelers and things like that. But we are ready to go. Great battery, highly recommend. If you need a battery, for sure, pick up one of these.